Britannia Shipyard's National Historic Site is an 8-acre heritage park set on the scenic banks of the Fraser River, located in Steveston, British Columbia. The site is the original location of early canning, fishing, and boat-building operations that helped shape the history of the region today. The main flagship building, originally built as a large cannery in 1889, was converted to a shipyard in 1917 to 1918 as the salmon output in the area began to decline. For almost 60 years, this building offered its marine services to the hard-working fishing boats of Steveston under the ABC Packing Company, before finally closing its doors in 1980. Today, the building has been turned into a wonderfully restored museum showcasing the various machinery, shops, and tools used during its heyday servicing BC's maritime industry. Despite the historical exhibits, interpretive displays, and interactive demonstrations present in the museum, there's one glaring omission. The boatyard doesn't have a boat. The mission? Restore and haul out the MV Burnaby, a 38-foot vintage tugboat, and prominently display it as the centerpiece of the main building. The Britannia Shipyard's National Historic Site Society would need to enlist the help of local boat builder and master craftsman Dave Sharp to build and engineer the carriages to not only support the MV Burnaby, but to functionally raise it to its final resting place within the museum. Through some luck and serendipity, one of the original Britannia carriages was discovered and salvaged off of Shelter Island in 2020. The design, measurements, and specs were pulled from this carriage and used to make the new one as close as possible to the original design. The carriages were built to be sturdy and robust, able to haul out boats up to 80 feet with the help of a winch. In May of 2023, after years of planning, our vision of displaying the restored MV Burnaby on its authentically reproduced carriage would commence. These carriages were a vital part of the operation of Britannia, and having them restored to their former glory is a massive achievement. Thanks to the hard work and support of the Britannia Shipyard's National Historic Site Society and the province of British Columbia's Community Economic Recovery Infrastructure Funding Program, the gorgeously restored MV Burnaby and its authentic working carriages are now on full display. Come see them for yourself and learn more about the rich history of Steveston's maritime past at Britannia Shipyard's National Historic Site today.